Okay, we are continuing repairs on the 1986 Corvette. What we're doing today is rear wheel bearing hub assemblies. And to do that job, the tools you need are the axle nut socket 36 millimeter, the 2/3 jaw pulling 2-ton jaw puller, and you need the axle bearings. These are the axle bearings. I decided to go ahead and choose Duralast over the Timken because this car is just a regular driver. It's not a race car, so this should be durable enough for this car to use for everyday use. So we got 2 of those. We just got them yesterday, Tuesday, February 15th. Picked them up from AutoZone. This cost $20 to rent. This cost $30 to rent. And both of these together cost $160. So that's what you need to do the bearing replacement on the rear axle of the 86 Corvette. Okay, we're continuing repairs on this 1986 Corvette. What we have done recently is removed the wheel bearing hub assembly. And that's what this is right here without the wheel bearing hub assembly attached. This is the spline coming from the drive shaft. This right here. And this is one of the toughest jobs I've ever had to do because it was so hard to get to. See those 3 holes right there? These bolts go in those 3 holes. These are Torx heads. Man, they were frozen on there. For some reason I had to use an impact wrench to get them off. I didn't think I was going to be able to get them. I had to borrow my neighbor's impact wrench to make it, because mine was so wimpy. But man, those things were hard to get off. I already broke a Torx head trying to get these off in the first place, so I had to go get it replaced. And there's 3 of them. They go in those 3 holes I was just describing to you. This is the Torx head socket that I used. Had to use extension. And I had to bang on it for like a day. So we got that taken care of. We finally got it removed. This is the hub assembly that I removed. The reason I took it off is because I have to replace the other one because the other one was bad. Plus this one has a broken stud on it. So I went ahead and pulled that one off. And this beautiful machined piece of metal is the new hub assembly. It's getting ready to swap into this right here. So that's where we're at now. I have to do this one more time on the other side. But I just wanted to give you a vision of what's going on with this, the restoration, repairs, and reconditioning of this 86 Corvette. This thing's beautiful.
Welcome to the world of the plastic beach.
Old hub assembly, new hub assembly has been installed to the caliper bracket. This is what the hub assembly is supposed to look like once it's installed properly. One side down, one side to go.